Hi, Chuck here. Uh, I've got a wood chipper purchased recently. It's actually quite a heavy implement that I can add to my tractor and works great for chipping the wood. But when it's not on the tractor, it's over 400 pounds, so it's hard to move around without actually having it on the tractor. I intend to build a small cart with casters so that when it is sitting on a concrete floor, like in the garage here, that I'd be able to move it around. So I purchased some casters. They're iron wheels, capable of handling close to 200 pounds individually. And so with four of them, I'm thinking that that would be adequate for the weight of this unit. I have some angle iron that came on one of the shipments that I received recently. So I'll be welding that together to form the frame to install the casters to. With that, I'll end this part of the video and get to work. The width is 26 inches and the length would be 30. So if I make my support frame 26 by 30, it would work good. So the cart for the wood chipper is finished. It hasn't been painted, and but the casters are on and I can move it about as I need to. As long as it's on concrete. It wouldn't work very good out in the dirt or in gravel. So whether I'll store it inside here for the winter or down on the slab by the wood burner, we'll have to wait and see.